Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're looking to grow your online presence, then you've come to the right place. I'm Steven Siu and I'm a YouTube expert / consultant. I made my first video on this platform 13 years ago when YouTube was still at its infancy. Since then, I've had the pleasure of working with hundreds of clients at some of the largest YouTube companies and agencies in the world. I've worked with some amazing clients, creators really, in terms of helping them grow their viewership, increase their subscriber base, grow their online presence even outside of YouTube, and more importantly, achieve their business goals, whether it is increasing their sales, revenue, or even their leads. Now, I've decided to revamp my own personal channel to help existing and new clients really understand how YouTube works and how YouTube operates. I'm going to be tackling various topics ranging from simple to complex. Simple topics like why you should get started on YouTube right now, because you really should, why and how you can get started on YouTube, how to get your first 100 subscribers, and I'm going to be tackling more complex topics like deciphering the YouTube algorithm, because everybody knows it's a mystery, and talking about what metrics that YouTube really looks at when it comes to recommending your content, when they recommend it, where they recommend it, and why it appears on the YouTube homepage. So if you're interested and you want to get started on your YouTube journey, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and let me help you succeed on YouTube.